In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection that feels so true. Every laugh, each silent sigh fills my world with a glow that won't pass by. Every moment feels like a warm embrace, a little world where love finds its place. I write our story in gentle tones, a little song that's purely our own. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. In the stillness of a whispered day, our hearts converse in their own sweet way. No grand words need ever be said, just our love softly spread. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew.
Waduh, gimana perjalanannya? Lama banget, boy. Hah? Gila kenapa?
Jam-jam
Yoi, gara-gara nama doang. Namanya Abdullah dicari dari single name. Agak. Emang apa kalau megang HP? Harus 3 kata, 3 suku, nggak boleh 1. Oh, belum lama umroh dia. Hah? Sama aja. Saya mundur ke saya, ke depan saya. Ke depan.
ふわっと炊きたて朝のご飯